Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am discuss with you about top tourist places in Darjeeling. Darjeeling is a beautiful hill station in India's West Bengal state in the Himalayan foothills. Its backdrop is Mount Kanchenjunga, among the world's highest peak. It is also called Queen of Hills. Darjeeling is known for its top-class aromatic tea, for which it is adorable worldwide, and the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, which is fondly known as the toy train, which is now a part of UNESCO World Heritage Site. Tiger Hill, located at the highest point in Darjeeling area. Tiger Hill is best known for the dazzling sunrise view of the Kanchenjunga and the snow-covered peaks of the entire eastern Himalayan range. Tiger Hill is located 11 kilometers from the Darjeeling town and takes about 40 minutes to reach by car. The Chaurasta or the Mall is the town center in Darjeeling. This is a lovely little flat area, a public square where four roads meet. This public place is where you would like to sit and watch the wonderful views of the mountain range and see many locals and tourists hanging around. One side of the mall is lined with pine trees, through which you would get wonderful mountain view. The other side is lined with lovely boutique shop of different kind. And all around the mall you have benches to sit and relax. I enjoy a lot. Rising from behind the mall, Observatory Hill is an ideal place to get a 360-degree view of Darjeeling and peaks surrounding it. The Mahakal Temple, the central temple of Darjeeling of all faith, is located on the top of the hill where the original Darjeeling Buddhist monastery once stood. To reach Darjeeling Zoo, 30-minute walk from Mall Road or 5-minute uphill walk from Lebong Cart Road to the zoo. The main entrance of zoo and HMI are the same, and both should be covered at the same time. The unique feature of this zoo is it houses animals of high altitude and mostly from upper Himalayas. You can see some rare animals here like red pandas, snow leopards, Tibetan wolf and lot more. HMI has a well-stocked museum with mountaineering display and many expedition articles, a boarding school for mountaineering student, houses for the trainers. There is no entry fee to the HMI. Japanese Temple and Peace Pagoda, about 10 minutes by car from Darjeeling town center. You will reach a wonderful area that is symbolic of peace and tranquility, located in Jalapahar Hill. Batashia Loop located 5 km from Darjeeling town and just below Ghum. Batashia Loop, as the name suggests, is a loop or a spiral of a narrow gauge railway track where the toy train negotiates a sudden sharp descent from Ghum. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway operate both steam and diesel engine driving by toy train Joyride for tourists. The steam engine driven trains are the original heritage train. To reach Batashia Loop, you can take a taxi and reach there in 15 minutes from Darjeeling town. Shared jeeps are also available. This is Darjeeling station. Toy train Joyride, which makes a round trip from Darjeeling station to Batashia Loop and Ghum station and back, and stop at both Batashia Loop and Ghum station. Now it is time to say goodbye.